In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage email consent in HubSpot. This is an essential skill for ensuring that your business complies with various regulations regarding email communications, and it's a great way to respect your customers' preferences. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is where all our operations start. Once you're there, you'll spot the login option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that, entering your credentials to access your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll find that the platform is designed for ease of use, making navigation quite intuitive. Once you've successfully logged into HubSpot, you'll find yourself on the home page. This page serves as your command center, where you can access all the different features HubSpot has to offer. Next, look for the Marketing tab, an essential part of our journey today, and click on it. The marketing section is where we manage our interactions with potential and current customers, including email campaigns. Within the marketing section, you'll find the forms option. This is crucial because forms are often the first point of consent that we gather from our contacts. Click on Forms to proceed. Here you can see all the forms you've created, or maybe even create a new one if needed. After selecting forms, it's time to choose a form to edit. Click on Edit for the form on which you wish to manage consent. This step will allow you to make changes to your existing form setup, ensuring it aligns with your consent policies. Now within the form editing options, navigate to the other form elements section. This section is a bit like a toolkit, offering various elements you can add or modify in your form to better capture information or present choices to your users. One crucial element you'll want to pay attention to is the consent checkbox. This checkbox serves as a tangible way for your contacts to express their consent to receive communications or to agree to processing terms. Find and click on the consent checkbox for communications and make sure it is prominently displayed within your form. Ensuring the presence of this checkbox is vital, as it not only helps manage consent efficiently, but also helps build trust with your audience by clearly stating their expectations and choices. And there you have it, a streamlined process to manage email consent within HubSpot. By following these steps, you're ensuring both compliance and enhanced user experience, which is crucial in fostering strong, transparent relationships with your contacts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow along with this guide whenever you need to update or manage your form's consent elements.